back to the motherland. Africa. What do you call it? I'm in a dancing mood. I'm in a dancing mood. I see you pick it up and put it down. It come back again. Yes, it's the pata groove. And if you feel the beat, then just move your feet. And if you're sitting down, then just get up out your seat. The crowd of people, yes, you know it's time we get ready. The pata come on it, sure to rock steady.
Sakura sap, we're gonna tea pata pata. 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 Ya mama titi 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 pata.
Said it's a party, make you wanna come and move your body. Said it's a party, make you wanna come and move your body. I said you wind up your waist, kick out your leg, bring the one back, the other one do the same. Then you slide to the side like you're riding a wave, that's right. Pata tonight.